So, continuing to the previous session, today we are going to discuss about another topics like the GUI, graphical user interface of your Power BI. So, why should we learn this? Because when you are going to learn or when you learn any technology, the first basic thing you understand or the first basic thing you should focus on the UI, user interface of your tool. So you must go to each and every tab. What is this? What is this for? Modeling view. Okay, help, external. Oh, what are all these things? Okay, I can see some visualizations here. Okay, some field section, filter section. There are some white space, and I can see there are some three sections, and I can see some pages here. Okay, so this kind of um, practice you should make it. You should go to each and every option what this option refers. Okay, and most of the Power BI is self-explanatory, means when you look at that you can easily understand. Okay, without any help you can understand that. So GUI, let's talk about. So starting with, you can see some three windows, right? When my cursor is in the first window, this is a report view. The report view can be used to create your reports using the data set. Okay, also we can call this as a canvas. This white space is called as a canvas, report canvas. So how many views are there? Three views: report view, data view, model view. Okay, report view, you understand, it is used to create a dashboards or a reports. And what about data view? When your mouse is over on this data, so this is a sales and order. So whatever the data you uploaded here, you can see the data here. So this is the data view. What is a modeling view? So modeling is used to create a relationship between the tables. So why need to create a relationship? Because sometimes my customer or sometimes the customer will not give you a straight, so this was, I just want to delete this because this is not a right relationship. So here order ID, here order ID. When the both columns containing a common column, then you can create a relationship between these two tables. This is a separate class, we will explain later. Okay, so why we need to create a relation? Because you need to use other table columns in your table. So for that purpose you must create a relationship between the tables. Okay, next. So how many types of views? Three types: report view, data view, model view. Okay, next. You can see some section. This is report canvas we discussed, and this is a filter section. How many types of filters? You can see now only two sections, right? If I select any visual, you can see one more filter section, which is filters on this visual and filters on this page and filters on all pages. How many types of default filters? There are three types. One is filters on this visual, filters on this page, filters on all pages. So this is in a best example for your self-explanatory things. So what does it mean? So filters on this visual means whatever the thing you are filtering the data. For example, I'm just drag some values or region to this filter section. Okay, if you make a filter, you can see this value only changing, the other visuals are not changing, right? You can see this. Agree? So this is called filters on this page. If you apply any filter on this section, the related visual only gets filtered out. Okay, got it? Next, filters on this page. I think you understand already. If I drag something here, if I apply any filter, any guesses? So what is going to be filtered? Any guesses? Let's try. Let's give a try. If you can see, these are the pages, right? Page 1, page 2, page 3. You can create a pages. Like a Excel, in Excel you can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, right? The same way, page 1, page 2, page 3. Any guesses? Filters on this page. If I apply a filter, what gonna happen? Any guesses? See, your participation is also important, okay? Anyone? If I apply a filter, how many visuals get filtered out? Which visuals are gets filtered out? Any guesses? So if I apply a filter, can you see this? All the visuals that are existed in this page, because this is a filters on this page. Okay? Sorry. Any question?
The figures in this picture, sir, the figures in these pictures will be changed. I mean, the visuals in this picture, only in this page, will be changed.
Yes, perfect. So the visuals that are existed in this page, because I have added a filter on the page level. Okay, let's take the same thing on filters on all pages. Any guesses? So what will happen if you apply a filter on this? If any other visuals are available in other all the pages, let's okay, what I can do is just remove the filter. Let's create some table. Okay, let's create a table, some region, some sales. Okay, can you see the values, or let me increase the values? I'll explain all this stuff. Okay, just for your understanding, I'm just increasing the font size of your table. So let's apply one filter here. Central. Some data filtered out. Central. Right? Earlier it was contains all the regions. Let's check it out. I want to see the south values as well. Can you see the south? South. Okay. So I hope you understand the types of filters. Filters on this visual, filters on page, filters on all pages. These are the three types of filters. So this is a filter section. And the third, it's a visualization section. Here you can see there are lot of visualizations. Like in Excel, if you are working with Excel, if you go to insert tab, there you can find all these are coming to the visuals, right? Bar chart, column chart, if you can see. Bar chart, column chart, right? Okay, let's take this, and can you see all the charts? Column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, surface, radar, all the things you can see there, right? So these are the sample visualizations. Bar chart, stacked bar, column chart, area chart, waterfall, funnel chart, and pie chart, donut, tree map, gauze, maps, visual, field map, a table, and a matrix, card visual, multi-card, and this is a KPI card, right? Not only this, you can also get more visual from your marketplace. You can download from your marketplace also. Okay, so we will explain on what basis which visual you can select for which scenario, which visual is fit for your dashboard or report creation. That we are going to discuss a separate class. Okay, and the one more thing, this is build your visuals. And you can see one more area is format section. For example, I select this visual. Okay, I don't want to see these colors, I want to change the colors. All these related to formatting section. Sorry, all these related to your formatting section. You can increase your values. You can see the downside, all east, west, south total are increasing, right? In the same way you can increase your y-axis values because you are unable to see the values, right? You can increase that one. Okay, these are all related to formatting of your section. So you can see the legends increase, decrease, total. If you off this, you can't see that legend section. Okay, so I will tell you. So when you look at any graph, there are some components will be there, not a components, there are some properties of every chart. Okay, every chart contains some properties like x-axis, y-axis, data series, labels, legends. Okay, we'll discuss that part. And all the columns, data labels, you can make numbers. Earlier it is not showing 1.53, 0.6, right? You can just play around using these options. Okay, if you make a change, what changes you are gonna see here. Okay, you can play each and everything. Okay, and the field section, it is nothing but whatever the data you are going to upload or imported into Power BI service or Power BI desktop, you can see all the data sets here. So order data, this is sales data. Okay, you can see all the data sets that you are uploaded into or imported into this Power BI desktop. And these are all the pages. You can create how many pages you want. You can create, you can delete, you can duplicate, you can rename, you can hide the page. Okay, so what is a Power BI report? Power BI report is a collection of pages. Okay, collection of pages with collection of visuals existed in each page. Okay, let's see two definition. What is a Power BI report? Power BI report is collection of pages where it contains a different collection of visuals. What is a page? Page is a collection of visuals. Okay, and you can see some home tab, insert tab, modeling, view tab, everything we can discuss in our ongoing classes. What are all these options, why we use this, what is insert, what are all these options, we are going to discuss each and everything. Okay, so you can see the file option, you can save, you can open your report, save your report. Okay, all these things you can learn. So this is the GUI of your Power BI desktop. What it stands for GUI? Graphical